This is Shinobi Rule number 20. When facing certain death, you are to draw upon whatever life you have left and deal as much damage as possible to your opponent as your final breath is drawn. You won't need to memorize that one, however, as I've already trained you to do it instinctively. On the brink of death, you'll attempt to take your foe down with you, regardless of your own will.